split screen has undergone some pretty big changes in iPadOS 15. Here's a quick rundown on how it works. When you open an app on iPadOS 15, there are now 3 little dots at the very top centre of that app. If you tap on here, you get some options on how you want that app to be arranged on the screen. The first one will make it full screen, which is the default behaviour. But after that you have 2 other options, one of which will go into split screen and one of which will go into slide over. So I'm going to jump into split screen in Keynote by pressing that middle button. But you'll notice rather than filling half the screen, it actually slides almost off completely. That's because you can now pick your other app on the left-hand side of the screen, whether it be from your dock, from your home screen, or even in the new app library section. I'm going to choose Safari from my home screen, and that will then open it up in split screen beside Keynote. Now I'm in split screen, I can use those 3 dots again on either app to change the layout of my windows. But I actually want to get rid of Keynote, and I can do that just like before by dragging that middle dividing line off to one edge of the screen. Now I've just got Safari in full screen, I'm going to press those 3 dots again and choose split screen mode. However, this time I'm going to open up an app from the app library by pressing that button on the right hand side of my dock. Then I can pull up Maps, and now I've got Maps and Safari side by side. You can still use that middle divider to adjust the size of each window, but if I press the 3 dots in Safari and then choose the far right hand side option, that will make Safari into a slide over window like this. From here I can reposition that slide over on either side of my screen, and if I press those 3 dots again, I can quickly snap it back into my split view that I had earlier. Just like before, you can swipe each app sideways to remove them from that split view by using the middle divider. And that's it, a very quick look on how the new screen view options work on iPadOS 15. If you'd like, please do subscribe to my channel down below. That will really help me grow and share my videos with more people. And while you're here, there are a couple more videos on the screen now that you might like about iOS and iPadOS 15.